Hi, in today's lesson we are going to design a slab. So this is our structure that we have made in the previous lessons. We want to design a simple slab of this structure. So for designing a slab or for designing, we have two methods, the required and the provided. The required one is the theoretical one, and the provided one is the real one that is based on the theoretical calculations. So let's start the design process. From here, go to RC Design and then choose Slab Required Reinforcement. And assume that we want to design just a simple slab, for example this one. We open it in a new window, and from here choose the number to be 158, which is the number of the slab. And from ULS is a combination. You choose a combination that you have defined previously. I have defined it ULS as combination number 1, which is ultimate limit state. Then press on this one, then close it. And for service limit state, from here choose combination and combination 2, then close it. Here you don't have to change anything, and also here because the most suitable settings has been chosen, and you want to calculate, not to verify. So we choose calculations and then calculate. Now we want to show the area of the reinforcement. We have bottom and upper. As you see, this is the area of the reinforcement. And to change the scale, you can change it from here as this one, and press apply. The green one indicates that there is approximately no reinforcement. To show the reinforcement area in the Y direction, you can choose it from here, and this is it. Okay, and to show the tabular form of data, you can change it, choose it from here. And our plate is number 158, so we scroll down to 158, 158. This is it, and this is our details. You can change the columns from here, table columns, and disable the area. And if you want to show the spacing, then okay, this is the spacing. This was the required reinforcement method. Now we move to the provided reinforcement method. Go back to geometry, select the slab that we have designed using the required method, and from design go to provided reinforcement of RC elements. As you see here, here's the details of the reinforcing area, X, Y, and X, the upper and the lower reinforcement. Go to this option, and from here select the reinforcing bars that you want, and from here you specify the reinforcement type as bars, and minimum length as 12 meters and minimum diameter as 12. And from bars diameter, you choose it, you select it, but do not specify the direction, the spacing. That's enough. And okay, then calculate from here, calculations, start. After calculating, go from here to results, to RC design, and from here slab reinforcement. As you see here, this is the reinforcement of the slab. Here's the top and the bottom reinforcement. This is the upper reinforcement, and if you want to see the bottom, this is it, as you see here. And from here you can also, from reinforcement top and bottom, you can see them both of them. From drawing parameters, you specify the template that you want your drawing to be based on. We choose anyone. For example, this one, and open it. And also spacing, we want spacing to be here. And if you want to change the scale, you can do it from here, but I think this one is good. To switch to the drawing, click on this icon, and as you see, this is the final drawing and final reinforcement of the slab, of the selected slab. This is not 812, it's 8512, and this is 5512 and 18512. Okay. Finally, if you want to get the calculation notes, you can see it from here. Go back to slab reinforcement, click on this icon, and then press on OK. As it's shown here, all calculations are provided here. Well, that was our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just write it in the description below. Bye.